Hello everyone, let's dive into the ATMPC 10-inch Android 14 tablet. This tablet arrives with a tempting array of features for its price point, aiming to deliver a solid user experience without breaking the bank. Right off the bat, the tablet boasts 12 gigabytes of RAM, configured as 4 gigabytes physical plus 8 gigabytes expandable. Paired with 128 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable up to a massive 1 terabyte. Storage limitations should be a thing of the past. This ample storage is a real boon for those who like to keep a lot of media on their devices or need space for large work files. It handles popular streaming services like Netflix, along with social media staples like Facebook and TikTok, without a hiccup. Connectivity is another strong suit. With Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 6 support, the tablet is well equipped for modern wireless standards. The promise of a strong reception signal means you should be able to stay connected in various environments, from cafes to home offices. Battery life is always a key consideration, and the ATMPC tablet packs a 6,000 milliamp hours battery. The manufacturer claims up to 6 hours of video playback and 10 hours of music listening. Under the hood, the tablet is powered by an octa-core processor. This should translate to smooth multitasking and responsive performance for everyday tasks. The tablet handles music, work, video, and game backgrounds with ease. The 10.1-inch IPS display features a 1280 by 800 resolution. While not the sharpest resolution on the market, the narrow-edge design aims to provide an immersive viewing experience. The inclusion of dual HD cameras caters to both photography and video conferencing needs. The large-screen soft light curtain is designed to reduce visual pressure on the eyes and relieve fatigue. In the box, you'll find a keyboard, mouse, and stylus, adding extra versatility to the tablet. This transforms the tablet into a mini workstation, ideal for students or anyone who needs to type documents or create content on the go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.